I did a thing.
Alright, so we have a 2004 Hyundai Elantra here for at least a valve cover gasket and to see what else is going on. And now I'm blind. So, yes, valve cover gasket. Because, that's good. That's some good stuff right there. It's so dark too. Ugh. Yeah. It's a new night on the Sonata, and now we have parts. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so we have oil change supplies, spark plugs, plug wires, and the topside gaskets here. He also got a new battery. Not sure why the other one was working, but I didn't actually look at the date on it, see if it needed to be done. Anyway, so what we're gonna need to do, at the very least, the air plenum's got to come off of here, so we will be replacing that gasket there. And then we're going to do the valve cover gaskets on both sides. I'll double check and see if it's quick and easy. I'll probably go ahead and do the lower part of the intake manifold gasket as well, just because we're here. But yeah, it's basically just a general tune-up and try to clean up a bunch of this gunk. First, the not so fun hoses. Great design where your upper radiator hose holds your spark plug wires in. Make my life a whole lot easier if I get these plugs out of the way. Fuel injectors. So the throttle body does have coolant lines that runs up to it, so we're not going to disconnect those. So we're going to undo the sensor wires and stuff that's going to keep it real tight, and then undo the bolts. We should be able to just let it slide over to the side there. Frightening. It wasn't even tight. Like, not even moderately. And neither was that. And I'm assuming since it's already moving, the ones on the bottom aren't either. That'll hurt your fuel efficiency. Just sucking air straight in past the sensors and the throttle body. Let's see. Move, please. There's no nut on that. That's frightening. What about number 4? It has something, but it's loose. I'm turning it by hand right now. She's a dirty bird. Alright guys, so I apologize about the noise, but I had to get the fan out. Also apologize because I don't know how much you're going to be able to see with me working on the back side of this thing. So I was able to use this pick to get the lock wire moved off this terminal, but it's seen better days. It's broken. That's why I didn't want to depress and move off of there.
Stop when I walk in the room. The center of attention finds me no matter what I do. I can't help it, I'm not selfish, I'm just coming through. 'Cause I've got something that everybody wants to prove. Always talking out the side of your mouth. You got no idea what this girl's about. You see my shape and pretty face, I'll flip your world around. What got you down? You got nothing to say. I've rendered you speechless. I'm more than you can take. You're speechless. Je ne sais quoi I got has left a trail of breaking hearts. Everybody thinks they know my secrets, use the sweetest talk. I can't help it, I'm not selfish, I'm just playing hard. Might could get me if you really play it smart. Always talking out the side of your mouth. Got no idea what this girl's about. You see my shape and pretty face, I'll flip your world around. What got you down? You got nothing to say. I've rendered you speechless. I'm more than you can take. You're speechless. What got you down? You got nothing to say. I've rendered you speechless.
All right, here we go on the front side.
I'm the center of attention, and I'm loving every second.
So that's the seal that I just pulled out. That seals right here, which is where the timing belt runs. I don't think we have one of those, but yeah, it looks like it's been getting oiled up real good in there, and it's not a good thing where the belt is. 4 cams, dual overhead cams. Got a chain keeps time on the 2 of them, and, you know, 1 chain in each head. We're not gonna be messing with that. I just wanted to see what we got going on down here. Ooh. She is definitely a dirty girl. Damn! Not in a good way.
I'm sorry.
Yep. The casket just broke. Shnoink. And this car is getting its oil changed, but I'm a little concerned. You guys saw that, right? The stuff I just pulled out of there. These 3 pieces. So I was editing the video just now and I realized I never came back and said what was wrong. But besides the obvious, those pieces are the actual like friction guard material for the timing chain alignment bits. I'll put the name and, you know, what they are here in the video, but yeah, the timing chain is so slack that it's moved so much it actually chewed that material off and just sheared all of it off like it was glass. So yeah, it was quite an expensive repair, which is why the customer opted not to do it. He paid $150 for this car because he was in a pinch and just trying to get something so he can get back and forth to work. So we just kind of slapped it back together and let her wobble. So to get that back valve cover off, we have to get that bracket off. I believe it's only 3 bolts holding it on the back there. We'll pull those and go from there. Encouragement. Okay. Ugh. There we go. Ugh, our TV doesn't want to let go. There we go. Okay, guys. So I already went to pop one of these seals out, and it shattered like plastic. I want to show you the difference here. So this is the new one, and the outside should be hard, but the inside should be rubbery and squishy, right? Watch this. Barely touched it. It's gonna take a minute to get these out. And it's hitting the floor just like hard plastic. Clang, clang, clang. Oops.
It's loaded everywhere.
Yep. This is gonna take a little time. Go ahead and turn it off. Thing. Gotta get them hot to get them out, because I already broke 2 tools trying to get them out otherwise. Oh, I forgot that won't stand up. Come on. Hook it. Hook it. It's trying to move. Come on. Oh, you little bastard. I'll bleep it. There we go. There we go. It's starting to move. One down, 5 to go. Yay. Have a present. Okay. I don't think they want to watch all 5 of them. Stinky. Oh.
Yeah, you can tell how chunky that is. You know what it looks like? It looks like that ice cream that I ate last night. The core of it. It's all like, it's got like the cookie pieces
Brittle
in
chocolate
it.
cookie.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
It really does.
I don't think the inside of an engine should look like Ben and Jerry's Boom Shakalaka Cookie Core. Not sponsored.
I'd have to agree. Alright, we got our seal driver here. Trying to put one in dry. See if it, yeah, it's gonna go in. No lube required. Ta-da! Those are done. So next step is take my little pick, because I don't have a stick. Guess I made that rhyme. Because I'm a poet and you know it. And we're just going to use this gray RTV gasket maker. It's plugged on that end. It's plugged on that end where I poked a hole in it. So we're going to poke a hole in the middle. Because why not? Little booger. Alright, so we're cleaning up the gasket mating surface. So far it's going pretty good. We got that lovely mess just from here.
From right here to there.
To there. So we'll get that cleaned up, start slapping things back together. After we get the RTV GUI off. All this junk is gonna have to come off. Yeah, we need hood struts. Or they need hood. Whoa. Hey, look. Somebody took the bolts out of the hood and didn't put them back in. Both sides, there's one bolt.
Why would the hood be off in this car?
Because this engine probably came out of a junkyard car.
It's chocolate melt.
Damn.
I'm no mechanic, but I don't think chocolate milk is supposed to be in your spark plug holes.
Not so much.
I said it once, I'll say it again. A family car should not have a V6. I think that's stupid. It's like, because this is front wheel drive, right? That's why the engine orientation is like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
as much as we can get out of there. Without putting a paper towel on it.
It kind of looks like there was enough room to just and then make it rear wheel drive, and then the engine would have been easier to work on, I think.
But rear wheel drives are less efficient. And there's a lot more mechanical parts you have to put in. Blah, blah, blah.
Just make it 4-cylinder.
Some of them work. A great deal of them work.
It was stupid.
From what I've read so far, it was rare for this car to have this engine. Not unheard of, but rare.
Ooh.
This was the same engine at this time that they were putting in the Santa Fe. So it's really weird that they put it in a car that's like half the weight.
I don't know what they were. Maybe they were trying to be like a sporty sedan. I don't know.
Maybe. It's all about the only thing I could think of, to be honest.
I don't know, but when you look at this car, it's really ugly.
Not sporty. Sorry, guys. Hope you're not a Hyundai fan. Or at least not a Hyundai Sonata fan. Still working on cleaning, but I just wanted to point this out. This goop, none of that should be in there. Where's the camera? There it is. This stuff's all over. This engine's about done. Okay.
Other one?
All the right time. If I see something I like, I'm calling it mine, and I won't apologize. When I walk on the scene, I get them talking like who is she? But it's so clear to see. They wanna know how to be like me, 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 be like me. They wanna know how to be like me, 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 be like me. They wanna know how to be like me.
gotta talk to, gonna make it to the top. No number two, if you got an issue, you can grab a tissue. Then I'll dismiss you. No stopping me, making no apologies. Anytime I walk up on the scene, I do it properly. It's my time, I'm gon' shine. Let's shine. Turn the lights on.
My confidence is toxic, loaded and locked in, and I'm taking my shot. So if you got a problem, go ahead and solve it, 'cause I'm not stopping. When I walk on the scene, I get them talking like who is she? But it's so clear to see. They wanna know how to be like me, 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 be like me. They wanna know how to be like me, 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 be like me. They wanna know how to be like me. Is when I'm walking in. Stop and stare, I don't care that you're looking. Everyone knows I'm the best as ever been. Again and again, they keep looking. They hate me 'cause they hate me. Watching me run this town. They wish that they could be me now. I'm on fire.
Torque spec on the plenum there is 11 to 14 foot-pounds, and there is no pattern that I can find, so I'll just start in the middle and work my way out. There we go. Okay, last two bolts that I took out are the two right here that hold that little bracket. Then all I gotta do is plug wires in, or well, yeah, plug wires and sensors back in.
All I do is win. They hate me 'cause they hate me. Watching me run this town. They wish that they could be me now.
So I'm down here about to change the oil on this car. I had to spray the oil pan quite a bit to clean that up. Just spray that off quite a bit. But a whole lot of that may have just been coming from the valve covers. because it's all covered in oil down here. Like the whole underside of the car all the way to the rear. And then I noticed this isn't hooked up. Wee. It's supposed to go through here with the bolt and everything. So that's cool. Luckily you can still drive without it, but it's gonna be like driving a boat. Alright, I'm gonna change this oil. I'm not gonna bother recording it. Alright guys, well that's all I've got for you. A funny little part of the background on this car, by the time I had this video edited, the car had already been traded in for another one, which was in worse shape as far as the engine goes. So that deal fell through. They got the car back, and then the upper ball joint on the passenger side broke. So he's able to drive forward, but if he goes to back up, the wheel will just curl up inside the car. He was gonna have me fix it. I haven't heard from him, so maybe he was able to just trade it in again. So anyway, till next time, I love you. Bye.